When we started MakerBot in 2009, it was an experiment to make 3D printing affordable. Now, 4 years later, we've engineered the MakerBot Replicator 2 to be both affordable and reliable. For the daredevils out there, the Doc Browns, the MacGyvers, the test pilots, we haven't forgot about you. We created the MakerBot Replicator 2X experimental 3D printer for you to push the boundaries of what's next. It is the most full-featured, sophisticated, and future-proof 3D printer on the market. The freshly redesigned heated build platform and the brand new enclosure are set up to optimize your experience with MakerBot ABS filaments.
The build plate on the MakerBot Replicator 2X has been completely redesigned for consistent high performance with ABS. The build plate's made of cast and machined aluminum that should prevent any warping or sagging that will affect the quality of your prints. The plate has also been anodized to increase the durability and longevity and is much more efficient at distributing heat than the previous build plate on the MakerBot Replicator.
The MakerBot Replicator 2X has the ability to make large ABS prints more reliably than the original Replicator. The enclosure blocks drafts and stabilizes the cool down period.
One of the most significant changes we've made to this machine is the redesigned extruder. The extruder on the MakerBot Replicator 2X has been re-engineered from the ground up for easier loading and less maintenance. The new design features a constant force filament drive system that will reduce skipping, slipping, and jamming. This means beautiful prints with less wear on your machine.
The MakerBot Replicator 2X equips you with an experimenter's toolkit. The dual extruder allows for multicolor 3D printing, and you can push the limits and experiment with what's next with multi-material 3D printing.
The new release of MakerBot makes it easy and enjoyable to create dual extrusion models. You can drag different models onto the build plate and position them how you like. You can even view your model in the two colors you plan to print it in.
The redesigned thermal core and the improved alignment of the extruders really brings dual extrusion to a new level. It's going to allow designers to stop thinking of how to print and start thinking of what to print.
The Replicator 2 set a new standard in desktop 3D printing. It was really made for the engineers, industrial designers, and architects who needed something simple and reliable. Now, the MakerBot Replicator 2X pushes the limits of what's possible and puts you in the experimenter's seat, figuring out what happens next in the future. The MakerBot Replicator 2X is made for those who are willing to wrestle with the challenges of ABS. If you've ever gotten under the hood and tuned up a hot rod or rebuilt an engine or built a trebuchet from scratch, the MakerBot Replicator 2X is for you. We can't wait to see what boundaries you'll push, what frontiers you'll explore, and the things that you'll make.